I took my metal detector through all these people. To see what they have dropped in the sand, let's see what we can find.
Oh, got a 93.90, kind of bouncy. This could be a dime or a quarter, guys. Let's see what we got here. Let's do in here somewhere. Come on, baby. We got her out. Got her out, guys. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's a ring. That's a ring. That's a ring. What kind of ring is it? Let's go, dude. Oh, I see 925 in there. Look, right here. Yeah. Got a ring. We got a ring a ding 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 dong. Heck yeah, dude. I thought that was going to be a quarter.